Potty training can be a wild ride. As a veteran preschool teacher who has helped thousands of families potty train their children, I've realized some lessons the hard way. But what I've learned the most is that I'd rather do potty training the smart way, not the hard way. If you don't want to be trapped in a small room with your child, mopping up accident after accident for weeks, you are not alone. And I have great news for you. I'm Katie T. Christensen, the creator of Peaceful Potty Training and a child development expert. And I'm going to show you my gentle approach to potty training that really works. It's a science-based method that I've developed with all different personality types, and it's something you can fit into your schedule, even if it's a busy one. I'm going to take you step by step through the potty training skills path so that you know exactly when your child is ready to potty train. You're also going to know just what to say to encourage your child to use the bathroom with my tried and true phrases, even if your child is reluctant, fearful, or even just stubborn. As a veteran preschool teacher, I've seen it all. Your child is going to love the sections just for them with my special guests, as well as their own potty training chart and booklet. And we'll be doing the potty training tango in no time. If you're ready to make peaceful potty training a happy experience that will bring you and your child closer, join me in Peaceful Potty Training. See you inside.